Hello everyone, on today's episode I'm going to show you guys how to create receipts. Maybe you want to create invoices, quotations to clients and send to them directly. Since you don't have advanced software or capable software, you'll be forced to use Excel, and today we are using Excel. And for this scenario I have a name of clients here, date, invoice numbers, prices, that's invoicing, and the client's details and the emails are here. All these are fictional because these clients don't exist, they're mine. So yeah, just a minute. Okay, to generate for them I'll just click here, generate invoice, and it's publishing. Not only will it generate invoice, but it also send to them directly in Outlook as shown here. This an Outlook. It's opening my Outlook account. Let me wait and see. It has generated an invoice, started it in PDF format, and here it is. Yeah, I can send it to any clients I want. It's publishing. Just a minute. Let's wait and see. Close. And I can insert them here and maybe send to them, or I can open to confirm the kind of invoice we're having. Let me check. 1 2. Yeah, it's opening. Yeah, here it is. This my friend SpongeBob is sending to him, and Data Genie Consultants is my fictional company. It doesn't really exist, but actually yeah, it's my YouTube channel, Data Genie, Casanova Road, Huruma, Nairobi. That's my real address. SpongeBob did for me writing, and the amount is 240. That's USD. Yeah, if you have any question concerning this invoice, please contact me. Thank you for your business. Yeah, that's a sample. Okay, let me close this tab and see how it did it. Let me close it. No. Okay, so in here we have the codes, VBA codes that used to generate those invoices and send them to clients. If you want to send to clients directly, I'll just type there the details. Instead of writing display, I can write send, and it will send to my clients directly. Yeah, those are invoices, and that's it for today. If you want the VBA calls I take you through, just comment with your email. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah, if you have any questions or any queries,